Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm showing you how to make a Babasu and Peony moisturizing body lotion that's perfect for dull, dry skin. You only need a few ingredients to make this body lotion, so it's perfect for beginners if you're new to making DIY skincare. Want to see exactly how I make this moisturizing Babasu and Peony body lotion? Well, keep watching. So before we get started, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you're notified whenever I create a new video. These are some of the ingredients I'll be using, but before I talk about these, let's go ahead and start with our basic ingredient, which is distilled water. I'm using 204 grams of distilled water. So next, I'm going to add in 9 grams of vegetable glycerin. So vegetable glycerin is our humectant, and it's going to help attract moisture to the skin to further hydrate the skin along with distilled water. So I mixed my distilled water and my vegetable glycerin together in a beaker, and I'm giving it a stir, and you'll know that it's mixed well when the mixture starts to turn from cloudy to clear. So now let's talk about the fun stuff, which is our natural oils and emollients. So for my natural oil, I'm using 31 grams of Babasu oil, which is packed with antioxidants. Next, I'm using 16 grams of mango butter, which is an amazingly soft butter that's great all over the body, including the face. So the first emollient I'll be using is 11 grams of BTMS 50. So BTMS 50 is great at making the skin feel soft and supple. Now I'm adding in 6 grams of Cetyl Alcohol to help stabilize and bind all of my ingredients together. Now that I have all of my ingredients, including my water and glycerin and my natural oils and emollients, I'm going to place them in a water bath so that they heat up to around the same temperature. So let's talk a little bit more about Babasu oil, which comes from the Babasu palm tree. It is packed with fatty acids and antioxidants, and it's great at relieving dry, itchy skin. Guys, it is also great at softening rough skin, which can sometimes be found on our heels and elbows. And Babasu is also great to add into hair conditioners. And because it's easy to melt, it can easily be used for scalp massages for dry, itchy scalp. So basically, Babasu oil has so many uses, and I am a huge fan of it. So now that our oil and emollients are all mixed together, it's time to mix in our water. So I'm going to take my distilled water and pour it into my oil and emollient mix. And I'm just going to start stirring it really quick so that it doesn't start to clump. And now I'm going to take my immersion stick blender and start to blend it together. So in my last video, I created an emulsion similar to this one, but instead of a body lotion, I created a clove oil and rosemary hair conditioner using similar ingredients. And guys, if you have not seen that video, the link is above and you can check it out once you're done watching this video, of course. Now that I've blended my ingredients a little bit, I'm just going to let my mix sit for about 5 minutes just to let it cool down a bit. So as you can see, my mix is still pretty liquefied, so I'm going to blend it a little bit more with my immersion blender and then let it sit for a little while longer to let it cool down a bit more. So now you can see that my mixture is getting thicker and thicker the cooler it gets, but I'm just going to blend a little bit more and then maybe let it sit for a little while longer before I move on to the next step. Now you can see that I have this rich, thick, creamy, smooth texture. So now I'm going to take some of my mixture out of my larger container and place it in a small bowl. And from here, I'm going to add in my preservative. So for my preservative, I'm using Germall Plus. And guys, you can use whatever preservative you like. Just find one that works best for the DIY skincare that you're creating. And this is vitamin E. And I love vitamin E because it has amazing healing properties for the skin. Now I'm going to take my small bowl and mix the contents back into the larger container, and I'm just going to give it a stir and of course mix it. So guys, now I'm adding in my peony fragrance to give my lotion a lovely scent. And of course, now it's time to add in a fun color. And because this is a babasu oil and peony scented body lotion, I'm adding in a soft pink floral color to give my lotion the appearance of a beautiful peony flower. So next, I'm taking an 8-ounce bottle and I'm using a funnel to add my lotion into the bottle. So this can be a bit tricky, but you can use a funnel or you can pipe it into the bottle, or guys, you can just simply use a jar. That will work fine. So as you can see, we have just made babasu oil and peony scented moisturizing body lotion. This was super easy and so much fun. So guys, I do hope you enjoyed this video. The products that I used and the ingredients can be found in the description box below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!